Alright. Gonna tear it out. Gotta get rid of my leftover pork loin Savoy. Oops. We could cover that. We don't need that right now. Alright, we got some green stuff. Well, that one doesn't look that good, so we'll get rid of that. This is going to be our crunch factor. Green is good, green is God. No cheese, please. And got all this nice moist chicken. That looks good. Maybe a little more. Perfect. Let's see. 14.2 ounces, a little under a pound. It's time to roll it. Now this is very important. We want to form it first. Shove some of those up. Whoops, Houston, we got a problem. Dinner and a movie. There is my dinner. More than 3/4 of a pound. Oh, wow. One thing you want to do, though, don't throw that out. That's better than licking a bowl of anything. If you haven't tried the pork loin Savoy, it's now up on YouTube. I guess if you don't like vinegar, you won't like this. If you like vinegar, you're going to love this. Waste not, want not. Yummy.